So Lumberyard 1.19 has released as of today, and as usual, it has fixes, improvements, highlights, and over 150 new features. That being dynamic vegetation, major updates to script canvas, and a new viewport. The dynamic vegetation is a new component entity-based system for authoring procedural placed vegetation. It can be loaded or instantiated dynamically and will spawn and despawn as a player moves throughout the world, allowing you to create big and open worlds without having a big hit on performance. You can use the new components to place vegetation assets and customize how they appear. This enables you to create different environments for your game for worlds of any size. You can do things like customize vegetation to fit specific areas for your environment. You can also configure that vegetation to grow only on specific surfaces. You can create complex biomes in one nested slice, and you can apply those changes across the area. So if you're familiar with the slice system in Lumberyard, that should seem very familiar to you. And you can quickly iterate your vegetation to preview how your changes appear in your game. So this is a very big addition. For script canvas, they have a feature that allows you to chain link nodes. So if you know the sequence in which you want to add, you can actually add those nodes in sequence without leaving the add node window until you're done. And that will definitely speed up your scripting time, your iteration time, and it's a nice addition overall. The one I'm most excited about is the grouping nodes. I'm a big stickler for organization, especially when it comes to visual scripting, because the lines or the nodes can get very messy. So with this addition, you can actually group your nodes to organize your nodes in your script canvas. And the beauty of it is that you can actually collapse or even nest nodes inside of those groups, color code them, expand them, and then also recollapse them so they don't take up much room when you're not using or editing that block of code. So this is a very big addition. This is something that it's almost akin to having encapsulated functions so that things can be in its own window. They've added node alignment tools, script events. Script events. Oh my God, this is yes. This is a data-driven mechanism for creating cross-script events. So if you have been with script canvas since its inception, there was no real way to communicate with the data inside of another script without either writing your own component or using the entity ID to access components on said entity. But if you wanted to access actual data, like say the health value or the mana value, that was almost near impossible to do, like I said, without creating a component to do just that. And a lot of folks don't want to touch C++, so that was kind of out of the question for a lot of people. So you can actually create events in Lua and script canvas. You can send events from one script to another, and all you have to do is enable the gem that's meant for the script events. Big addition. We'll have a video out about this separately real soon. The new viewport interaction model. And basically this feature is it's designed to make editing your entity simpler and more intuitive in Lumberyard. So it has interactions with entities using manipulators instead of gizmos, adds support for new translation and rotation manipulators, simplifies your selection when switching between parent or world space, enables you to quickly switch between translation and rotation manipulators. So just making it easier overall to place objects, manipulate them, edit them, things like that. So overall, I think this is a very solid update. Hope you guys are satisfied with this update. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Like I said, I'll have some videos on a few of these features and explaining some things. Join the Discord if you haven't already. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering your projects. And until next time, keep developing.